Indicted Republican Texas Attorney General, and wow, that's a lot of descriptive words, Ken Paxton, has filed a motion in court trying to get the Texas State Bar's lawsuit/investigation against him dismissed. Now, before we talk about the idiotic motion that he filed, let's remember that Ken Paxton has been under indictment by a grand jury for years and years and years now. They don't even have a trial date set, but this guy was indicted by a grand jury on 2 counts of securities fraud, a first-degree felony. He was also charged with a failing to register as a securities agent. It's like a second-degree felony, I think it is. But either way, multiple felony charges against him. He has been indicted, and he's still the Attorney General of the state of Texas. So right off the bat, super freaking weird, right? But the state bar in Texas has filed this lawsuit against him, attempting, I guess, to get him disbarred or at least disciplined by the bar because of the knowingly fictitious lawsuits that he filed against other states trying to overturn their election results from 2020. Now, Ken Paxton, I've talked about this part, his lawsuits against these other states as the Texas Attorney General were effectively laughed out of court. He was told repeatedly that you don't have standing. Like, if you have a problem with the way Texas runs their elections, you can sue your state. You can't sue a different state in this nation arguing about how they conduct their elections, which of course is what his lawsuit did. Like, you can't have mail-in ballots. And the states are like, we actually do have constitutional authority, each individual state, to determine how we do our own elections. So basically, Ken Paxton, right here, buddy. And that's what the court said. They laughed him out of court. And he, as Attorney General, as somebody that went to law school, knew that. He knew he didn't have standing, so of course that is why the state bar is going after him. Like, you messed up, dude. You proved that you do not understand the law or that you don't care about the law. Either way, you shouldn't be in law if you don't frickin' know it. So Paxton, as I mentioned, he goes to court recently and he files this motion trying to get the whole thing dismissed because, as he puts it, quote, so dumb. The state bar investigators are biased and politically motivated against me. He went on to say, they have no authority to police the decisions of a duly elected statewide constitutional officer of the executive branch. They're politically biased against me. Everybody's out to get me. I'm the victim here. I'm the good guy that they're painting as the bad guy. Now, we have seen, obviously, quite a few lawsuits recently against Donald Trump, against, other people who try to argue, it's politically motivated against me. They've lost on all those claims. And I have no doubt that Mr. Paxton here is also going to lose on these claims. But here's the fun part. Even if he prevails, in this state bar lawsuit against him, like, haha, you can't disbar me for this, there's still the felony charges against you, bud. So, if you survive this one, you're probably still going to get in a lot of trouble. Like, you could literally still lose your law license and go to jail. So maybe don't sweat the small stuff, right? This little state bar thing, I know it kind of seems big, but in the grand scheme of things for you, it's actually not. So maybe focus on the security fraud thing and just let the state bar do what the state bar do. Because you have much bigger problems down the pipeline that you're going to have to start addressing very soon. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.